We need to talk. We need to talk. You see, I have 3 new followers. You guys, I'm a lady. I'm going to start this off by saying, I'm going to go there. I'm going to go there. You know that saying, cackling hens? They are the standard. They're like a bunch of groupies. They stick together. They've been following me. They've been tracking me. They think they have outsmarted me, but oh, no, 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 no. I have outsmarted them. You see, it started out as a love-hate relationship. I thought I liked them, then I didn't. It's like they kept roping me back in. I liked them, then I despised them. Then they roped me back in, I liked them. Then I soon despised them. And now, find out if I still like them. Hey guys! What are you guys doing up there? Get down! Hey guys! That's you! Come on! Get a move on! Good morning! How you guys doing? I'm just having some fun with you guys. I hope you got a kick out of that because these 3 birds showed up, I don't know, 3 weeks ago. And I'm like, who are you? And what are you? What are you? What are you? I didn't even know what they were. I'm like, are you a turkey? Are you a chicken? Are you something in between? Come to find out, they are called guinea fowl. I think they originated in Africa. I don't know. That's what I've been told. And let me tell you, these birds, as annoying as they are with their talking, they are full of personality and quite entertaining. They have become a part of my daily life here at the log home. I wake up in the morning after having coffee. You guys, it's like clockwork. They are out there around 7:30, 8-ish to greet and let me know they're out there. Around 11 o'clock, they're running around the front of the house near the cars. Around 3 to 3:30, they come over to the pool area and they come to the back door. It's bizarre. It's like clockwork almost every single day. I've become quite fond of them. I really have. The cackling, yeah, I could do without, but they're so funny and they're so entertaining. And I love to watch them. It's like free entertainment. I don't know if they're someone's pets. I don't know where they came from. Like I said, they just showed up 3 weeks ago. They've been hanging out in our yard, in our neighbor's yard. They like to go up in the trees. They like to go on top of the pool house. That got me a little mad. I'm like, get down from there. But other than that, I love them. I'm gonna miss them when we leave. It's become quite fun because I've literally been documenting them with my phone every time I have interactions with them. They're hilarious. They really are hilarious birds. Several times in the late afternoon, we've been out in the pool. These birds, as loud as they usually are with their presence, they usually let you know they're around. When we're in the pool, it's like they are sneaking up on us. And we'll just turn around and boom, there they are right in front of our face on the other side of the gate. And it's happened 3 times where they have snuck up on us and they're literally just standing around watching. I'm like, are you gonna join us? Are you gonna fly over the gate? Like, what's going on here? I love the summer months because you see so much wildlife. We've got a mountain beaver, we've got some deer, and we have a fox. And I even got the fox on my security cameras running with he caught a meal. He caught a squirrel, and he was running with the squirrel in his mouth with the tail going back and forth. And I'm like, oh, so many cute little animals. We've got some rabbits, and it's just so fun to see them out and about doing their thing. Now, I've given my guinea fowl names. We've got Miss Rosie, we've got Miss Rascal, and we've got Mr. Rutherford. And they're funny. If you've got animals that like to come in your yard, name them. It's so fun. Okay, on to the video. What are we doing today? We are doing a summer home tour. This tour is completely set to music. I tried to pan slowly so you could get the whole experience and see what the house looks like. So I hope you guys enjoy it. We will morph on into the video and I will see you at the end. right, my sweet friends, I hope you enjoyed my summer home tour. Summer is coming to a close here at the log home. We will be back home in West Virginia in a week or two. So I wanted to get this video out to you guys. And my next video, I'm kind of excited about. Now, I know most of you are not ready for fall. I'm not ready for fall. Let me just say that I am not ready to start decorating for fall, so don't you worry. During Amazon Prime Days, I scoured Amazon for unique items for fall. We're talking objects, things like trays and bowls to put pumpkins and raffia leaves in. Everything I found is at a great price point. I'm trying to think affordable, but beautiful. 2 fall wreaths, I've got fall floral stems, I've got bowls, I've got trays, I've got vases, vessels, objects, coffee table books for fall. So all of that's coming up. I'm not sure if that will be Friday or next week, but we shall see. Just wanted to get you guys excited because let me tell you, a lot of items, they come and they go fast. So, you know, if you're like me and you want to get ahead, jump on planning and prepping for fall, but you're not necessarily ready to jump in just yet, you might want to put these in a wish list, take note of them, or buy them. You know, completely up to you. I like to find beautiful things for you guys for the seasons, and so I hope to share that with you. I think it will be a fun video, so stay tuned. All right, guys, have a wonderful rest of your day, and I will see you guys in the next one. By the way, this is a new shirt that didn't make it for my last video. I love it. I'll link it. Very soft, stretchy. You can stretch it. And I'm wearing it like a cardigan. And they have all different styles and colors. I'm definitely going to be buying more like this in different colors. But I thought I would share that. And I will link this below. All right, guys, I'll see you soon. Bye, guys.